Hello, good morning, Standard 8 student. How are you? Welcome, online study. Last time we learned unit number 2, English, man's relationship with animals. Activity 1A is already we learned. Now we are going to learn activity B. What is there inside? Let us first of all know it's the story of Maharana Pratap. So what is going to say? Let first of all read it. Chetak was the brave horse of King Rana Pratap. With the king ruled during Battle of Haldighati on June 21, 1576. The horse was killed in the battle and the war horse has become immortal in Indian history. Chetak was one of the Marwadi or Kathiawadi breed. The battle was fought between Maharana Pratap and Imperial Mughal commander Man Singh. He was seated atop an elephant and directing the battle. Chetak raised his hooves in their air and stuck at the head of the elephant. Maharana, sitting his chance, threw his lance on Man Singh, who ducked in time. The blow hit the Mahavat, the rider of the elephant. Mahavat means the rider of the elephant, who died instantly. In case that the followed, Chetak received a fatal blow on his legs. Meanwhile, Mansi retired safely while retreated to safely while Maharana was surrounded by the Mughals. He had to decide now if he had keep fighting, he would be dead, and the sun would set on the Mewar kingdom forever. If he ran away now and lived Mewar. What is the Mewar? Mewar is one of region, Maharana's kingdom it was at that time. Would still have another chance. One of the loyal soldiers of Maharana snatched the royal instiga, means badge, from Maharana and wore them himself. The Mughal soldiers mistook the soldiers of Maharana and killed him while a valiant Hindu ruler made his escape atop Chetak. The horse wounded badly, but he still ran at top speed, carrying his master out of danger 2 miles from the battlefield. The horse came across the small pool. While trying to take a leap across the pool, Chetak collapsed to his death. The emotionally overwhelmed Maharana wept like a baby and decided he would erect a monument in the honor of his horse. The centograph means monument now exists near the village of Jalore in the Rajsamand district. So this is the story of Maharana Pratap horse, loyal horse, Chetak. So there are so many other questions. So we will look about it. Before that, let us revise the question number 1 and 2. How did the horse help the master? Once the master was, it's a story of Unit 2A, right? A battle with Arab. So this is the question of Unit 2A. How did the horse help the master? Once the master was attacked by some robbers. The master fell off his horse. He was seriously wounded. He could not get up. The horse caught his master's belt between his teeth and brought him back home. Look, already I have written this question answer and I am just sending to you. Please kindly read it carefully. Prepare to remember and write down in your note at least 5 times so you can remember. You are not a small child, dear. You are all in standard 8 now. So please work hard, do it, write down 5 times. Question number 2. What does the incident convey about man-animal relationship? So answer is the incident of horse and Arab conveys that animals have been faithful to man. There are numbers of incidents that animals have sacrificed for favor of man. Now, unit number 2B, story of Maharana Pratap, king of the Mewad, Maharana Pratap, and his loyal pet or rider of the horse Chetak. Write a short note on Maharana Pratap's horse Chetak and his loyalty. Maharana Pratap, king of Mewad, he has a brave horse. On June 21, 1576, there was a war between the King Maharana Pratap and Mughal commander Mansingh. In the battle, Mansingh was seated atop an elephant and Chetak hovered in the air and stuck at the head of the elephant. The Mughal soldiers killed all soldiers of Rana Pratap. Chetak ran at top speed, carrying his master out of danger. 2 miles of battle, Chetak collapsed across small pool to his death. At that time, Maharana wept like a baby. There is a monument in the honor of his loyal horse Chetak. This is a short story, so we can finish this episode here, and in next we will learn question answer, and you must have to write down in your notebook 5 times. It is your homework too. Still, bye, see you.